Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami graduation cap. This model is made entirely out of paper. It's slightly more advanced than other origamis, but it's great for decorating graduation parties or giving as a gift, and the only material needs a square piece of paper. If your paper has only one colored side, start with the white side facing up. Our first step is to fold the paper in half along both diagonals to create an X. So just fold by bringing one corner to the opposite one. Make a crease. Then unfold. And do the same on the opposite direction. And we have our X. Now let's fold the paper in half, vertically and horizontally. Flip it over. Now fold both sides to the middle. Then unfold. And repeat the same horizontally, folding the bottom and top sides. Once that's done, flip it over again. And now pay close attention. We're going to bring each corner to this point here, where these lines intersect, folding the paper like this. Once done, let's do the same with the top left. Then with the two bottom corners. To make the next step easier, let's reinforce these folds here. To do that, it's actually very simple. Let's start with the bottom side, just bring it up like this, reinforcing this vertical line and the diagonal one. Do the same with the top corner. Then with the next one. And finally with the last one. Now that we have reinforced these creases, let's close all four at the same time one on top of the other. Reinforce it really well. After reinforcing everything, this is what we have. For the next step, bring the bottom layers up, opening this side like this. Then fold this corner. Bring the layers back down again on top of this fold. And repeat the same process with the other 3 sides. This is the result. The back side will look like this. But keeping the paper in this position, let's fold all 4 corners to the center. To make the next step easier, rotate the paper like this and fold along this line here at the top. To do this, bring the first top layer to the center carefully. Press this part really well. Now we have a bit of extra paper on the left. Let's bring this corner to the center by folding it like this. Unfold that. And repeat the same process with the other 3 sides. After finishing that, unfold all 4 corners. Now, pay close attention to the next step. This is the most important part. First, lift the right side using this crease here. Then, close the corner over this part. Once it's closed, fold the paper to create these 2 creases. And that's it. The corner is closed. We're going to do the exact same thing with the others. So, like before. Close this part here. And then fold, creating those two creases in the paper. Same thing with the next one. And also with the last one. This is the result. To finish, first we are going to fold this corner here, using the existing crease. It should fit nicely into the center like this. Let's move to the next one and fold it the same way. Then do the same with the third one. This last one will show just a tiny bit of different color, but it won't be visible. We have the base of our graduation cap. So far, we've only used a single square of paper, but from this point on, if you want, you can add some details to improve the result. You can use glue, you can write something on top or paint it however you like. If you managed to make it, congratulations! Not everyone can pull this model off. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.